Hey, how's it going, Jaime? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call, we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today, Jaime, is content, backlinks, and citations. Content is everything on the front page of your website that Google looks through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. Now, keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your website, like fences in Austin, gate in Austin, stuff like that. Now, Google wants your front page to have 1,500 to 2,000 words to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever your images are saved as. And so I looked online, I could not find your website anywhere, which was a little frustrating. But it's not frustrating for me, but more for your customers, because if people are looking for you and they type in fencing in Austin, they want to be able to find you so you can help them out. And just to show you, if you type in Austin fence, the two people at the top, Viking Fence and Sierra Fence, they're getting a lot of traffic right now, and they're getting a lot of really easy free jobs, and I'll show you that in a second here. So you definitely want to make sure you have a website. If you look at Viking Fence, they aren't even doing it that well. They only have about 300 words on their front page, and they're not saving the images properly. The images should be saved as like iron railing in Austin or fences in Austin. They don't have that. If you look at Austin or Sierra Fence, same thing. They don't have their images saved correctly, and they only have about 300 words on their page. So you're going to definitely want to make sure that you have your website saved with the proper image names and have about 1,500 words on this page. Now, content is king. The next thing I'm going to talk about is going to be backlinks, because Google's like a popularity contest. And so Google looks at how many other websites are linking from their website to yours, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fence companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. And so I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And so if you look at Sierra Fence, it's the number 2 guys. They have 1,700 people going to them, and they have 315 websites linking to them. Could you imagine having 1,700 people clicking on your website every single month? That's a lot of business. Let's check out Viking Fence. They have 282 people linking to them, but they have 2,700 people clicking on their website every month. If you had this much traffic, you'd grow your website extremely fast and make a ton of money. All right, what I recommend is going and figuring out what links your competitors have and go take those same links, like Hercules Fence, automatic gates, steel fencing, maybe wooden house plan, bulk chicken wire is going to be good, fence supplies, those are all really good ones for you. Last thing I'm going to talk about is going to be citations. And citations are important because if someone types in Austin Fence and they're looking for a fencing company right away, you're typically going to call the first company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads right here because a lot of people have had bad experiences with them, and they also have ad blockers so they never see them. So the best place to rank is here in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. The best strategy here is to find out what directories your competitors are in and go list yourself in those same ones and then a lot more on top. I always recommend 30 to 40% to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take this number 1 spot from them, it gives you like I said, a nice space cushion, and all you have to do is maybe like an hour or 2 of work per month to be able to continue to beat them. That's all I've got for you, Jaime. I hope you found this informative. What I went over today was content. You're going to want to have your own website with 1,500 words on the front page. Backlinks, once you get that website up, you want to add like 300 websites linking to you and just copy your competitors. They're getting a lot of traffic. And then citations, you can do this without a website. Figure out directories these competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, add a bunch more on top. So Jaime, if you want to do this yourself, that's okay. This is free education. There's no strings attached. I just ask you send me back a couple words as feedback so I can make these videos better in the future. And if you want me to do this for you, our website is SEO Our phone number is 214-441-6737. And if you're on mobile, click this link. It goes right to our phones. Thanks for watching this, Jaime. Have a great day.